Blackjack isn't just about hitting or standing, it's about rituals, hidden rules, and subtle strategies that most players never even notice. If you want to uncover more secrets and master the game, make sure to subscribe now for more expert blackjack strategies. After shuffling the cards, the dealer hands a player the cut card, a small colored piece of plastic that seems unimportant at first glance. The player inserts it into the stack wherever they choose, and the dealer completes the cut, dividing the deck at that exact spot. Most people think this is just a quirky tradition, but the cut card actually serves a much deeper, more strategic purpose. After the cut, the dealer places the card near the back of the shoe at a very specific depth, determined by casino policy. This card acts as a signal, letting the dealer know when the shoe is almost finished and it's time to reshuffle the cards. The game never runs to the very last card. Instead, a chunk of cards is always left unplayed at the end of each shoe. This isn't just for show. It's a deliberate casino strategy designed to protect the house. The cut card controls how many cards are dealt, and more importantly which cards stay hidden from players and card counters. For casual players, it's just a minor pause in the action, barely worth a second thought. But for serious players and card counters, it's a crucial detail that can make or break their strategy. The placement of the cut card, known as penetration, directly affects your odds, influencing how much information you can gather from the cards dealt. The casino, not the player, always decides where the cut card ultimately goes, maintaining control over the game's flow. Its real power lies in ending the game early, hiding cards that could shift the odds in favor of skilled players. Understanding the cut card's role is the first step to playing like a pro, and to seeing the game the way the casino does. It's not just a piece of plastic, it's the casino's silent advantage, quietly shaping every hand you play. The cards behind the cut card, the slug, are never played. In a 6-deck shoe, the casino might hide 1 or even 2 decks, making those cards invisible. For basic strategy players, this doesn't matter much. But for card counters, it's a huge obstacle. Card counting relies on knowing which cards remain. The most profitable moments come late in the shoe, when the count is high. By cutting the shoe early, the casino prevents you from reaching those moments. The slug could contain the very aces and tens you're waiting for. When the cut card appears, your chance to capitalize is gone. This isn't bad luck, it's the casino's design to limit your winnings. Penetration is the percentage of cards dealt before a reshuffle, and it's a crucial concept for anyone serious about blackjack strategy. This percentage is determined by the cut card's placement, which tells the dealer when to stop dealing and reshuffle the cards. In a standard 6-deck shoe, cutting off 1 deck means 83% penetration. If 2 decks are cut off, penetration drops to just 67%. This difference might seem small, but it slashes a card counter's edge in half, making it much harder to profit. At 83% penetration, a skilled counter might expect a 1% advantage over the house, which can add up over time. But at 67%, that advantage drops to 0.5% or even less, making the game much less favorable for the player. The more cards that are dealt before the reshuffle, the more accurate your count becomes, and the greater your edge. Poor penetration means more randomness, less predictability, and ultimately less profit for advantage players. That's why professional players obsess over penetration, sometimes even choosing tables with worse rules if the penetration is better. You simply can't win from cards you never see, no matter how good your strategy is. A game that hides a big chunk of the shoe robs you of opportunity, making it nearly impossible to capitalize on favorable counts. The cut card's placement is often more important than most rule variations, and it's something many casual players overlook. Poor penetration caps your winnings by hiding the best situations, limiting your ability to make the most profitable bets. So always pay close attention to how deep the cut card goes, because in blackjack, every card you see can make a difference. Casinos know the math and control the cut card's placement to protect their edge. Management sets strict policies for where the cut card goes, never random. In a 6-deck game, cutting off 1.5 decks, 75% penetration, is common, but many casinos now cut off 2 or more decks. This makes card counting nearly impossible. Deep penetration is risky for the house, so they sacrifice game speed for security. Dealers are trained to enforce the policy, adjusting your cut if it's too deep. It's not personal, it's casino policy. No player can manipulate the cut, the house always has the final say. Their goal, keep their advantage no matter what. You can't force better penetration, but you can always choose where to play. The power is in your hands to select the tables that give you the best chance, so don't settle for less. Before you sit down, watch a shuffle. See how many decks are left behind the cut card. This quick observation can make a huge difference in your long-term results. If you notice 2 or more decks are hidden behind the cut card, don't hesitate. Walk away and look for a better game. If penetration is good, keep tracking the cut card's position as you play. Staying alert lets you maximize your advantage as the shoe progresses. When the count is high and the cut card is getting close, it's time to bet aggressively. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it might not come again. Sometimes you can signal your preference for a deeper cut to the dealer, but don't count on it working every time. Some dealers are flexible, others aren't. Table selection is your best weapon. The right table can make all the difference between winning and losing over the long run. Be ready to leave bad games at any time. Don't get attached. Your bankroll depends on discipline. The cut card is the casino's main defense against skilled players, limiting your edge by cutting off the shoe early. By spotting good penetration and adjusting your play, you give yourself the best shot at beating the house and making your skills count. Awareness of the cut card is the first step to beating the game. Stay sharp and always play with intention. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Let us know your own blackjack strategies in the comments below, and help others play smarter too.